Once again, unfortunately, I had the same problem with my camera that I've been having with a few of these videos where I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. But you guys know how to make a pesto, so let me give you the rundown of how to make this chili lime cashew pesto. You want to start off with 2 cups of packed fresh basil, 2 cloves of garlic, about 1/3 of a cup of cashews. What I'm adding in right now is a tablespoon of chili paste and about 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You want about 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2/3 of a cup of olive oil, and about a tablespoon of lime juice, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. And then basically you just want to put this in a food processor, turn it on, and basically you just want to grind this till everything is emulsified. All right, let's cook the rigatoni and mix these two together. All right, as you can see here, I've got my rigatoni pasta cooked perfectly al dente. And now we're going to add the pesto to the pasta. It is a good idea before you drain the pasta to keep about a cup of pasta water just in case you need to use it to emulsify it a little bit. And then you just want to stir this around until all of the noodles are coated. All right, let's get ready for service. Okay, you want to put a serving in a bowl like so. Again, you can top it with whatever you like, Parmesan, pepper, whatever. I just decided to top it with a few more of those cashews that we lightly toasted up. And that's it. Chili lime cashew pesto. Done.